If you want to see something truly impressive, look at this villa, because today we are not looking at just another villa project in Bangalore. We are exploring a premium luxury villa community called Allure Avani, located near 𝘈𝘷𝘢𝘍𝑢𝑟𝑒 Cross in East Bangalore, a location that is quickly becoming one of the most sought after residential corridor in the city. Allure Avani is the luxury gated villa community designed for people who want space, privacy and independent lifestyle but still want the safety and amenities of a gated community. The entire project is spread across 15.6 acres of land, and unlike many crowded villa communities, this project is designed with low density development. In fact, the entire community has only around 138 luxury villas, which means every resident gets more breathing space, wider internal roads, landscape greenery and much more premium living environment. This is exactly the kind of project that attracts CXOs, entrepreneurs, NRIs and senior professionals working in Bangalore's tech corridors. One of the biggest advantages of Allure Avani is its strategic location. The project is located at Kammasandra near 𝘈𝘷𝘢𝘍𝑢𝑟𝑒 Cross, which sits between East Bangalore's IT hub and North Bangalore's airport growth corridor. From here you get excellent connectivity to Whitefield around 20 minutes, KR-Puram around 15 minutes, Manatrekpak around 30 minutes, Kempegowda National Airport roughly around 30 to 40 minutes. This area also seeing massive infrastructure development including improved roads, connectivity, metro station expansions and rapid residential growth. Because of this connectivity, 𝘈𝘷𝘢𝑢𝑟𝑒 Cross is slowly becoming a high potential residential corridor connecting Whitefield and North Bangalore. This is one of the key reasons why many investors and home buyers are now looking at villa communities in this belt. Now let's talk about the villa themselves. Allure Avani offers luxury 4 BHK triplex villas designed to provide spacious and modern lifestyle. The villa starts from approximately 3560 square feet and goes up to around 4600 square feet built up area, making them extremely spacious compared to most villas in Bangalore. These homes are designed as G+2 triplex villas, which means you get multiple levels of living space, large balconies, bedrooms, spacious living areas and private terraces. The layouts are designed to be Vastu compliant with plenty of natural light and ventilation. Many of the villas also features large balconies, landscape private areas, open terraces and so many other things. Now coming to the pricing, it starts from just 4.2 crore and depending on the villa size and location inside the community goes up to 6.8 crore. While this is definitely in the premium category, buyers here are essentially getting larger luxury villas in a low density gated community in one of Bangalore's fastest growing developing corridor. Another highlight of Allure Avani is the lifestyle ecosystem created inside the community. You get a swimming pool with pool deck, fully equipped gymnasium, indoor games and recreation areas, badminton and sport courts, yoga and wellness spaces, children's play arenas, landscaped gardens and walking paths, co-working space and community lounge. The entire community is designed with landscape open spaces, tree-lined pathways and well-planned infrastructure, making it feel like a peaceful residential enclave away from the noise of the city. Security is also a key focus with 24/7 gated security control, entry points and modern surveillance systems, ensuring residents enjoy both comfort and safety. The design of the project inspired by the concept term Pancha Bhutas, 5 elements of nature: earth, water, fire, air and space. The project has hundreds of rechargeable wells. This philosophy is reflected in the architecture, landscaping and open spaces, creating a balance between luxury villa and natural surrounding. The result is a community that feels modern, elegant and connected to nature at the same time. With the continued growth of Whitefield, the airport corridor and upcoming infrastructure development, this location also has strong long-term appreciation potential, which makes this project attractive not just for end users but also for long-term investors looking at villa appreciation in Bangalore. Many of the villa also features large balconies, landscape private areas and open terraces, giving residents a perfect balance between indoor luxury and outdoor living. So if you are someone who's looking for a large luxury villa in Bangalore with privacy, premium amenities and strong connectivity, then Allure Avani is definitely a strong project worth exploring. If you want to know more details including the complete price sheet, villa floor plans, availability and site visit details, you can click below and connect with Damani Consulting. Our team will share all the details and help you schedule a private walkthrough of the project. And who knows, this might be the villa you have been looking for.